Oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad? Don't be sad, I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Don't be sad, I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya. That girl be fine lady. She be that pretty cutie lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She dey play me, oh. She dey bring in the cousins. Oh God, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad, don't be sad, I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Don't be sad, I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya.
My girl, that girl, she be fine girl but bad girl. She pretend to love me, AFA. It wanna do nightmares. At first she was a blessing, but now full of cursings. What they was up and down in the kitchen, wanna prepare the dishes. Just keep me mute, as a mente. Be your penny pa me, viewmante. Beginning correction, and son of my acte. It was on a pair of Becca, infante. Obetina na share, evaze. If I catch you, no begging, back to hometown. Obeco fancy. Go.
Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad,
Maya, why this? Maya, see, I know I've prevented you from marrying a long time ago. Now I've realized what you were saying is true. We shouldn't do this.
Kofi, I won't listen to you. Not today and not tomorrow. Please don't do this to me. You are the only person who have shown me how a woman should feel. You have made me loved. See, even if you want me to marry you, I promise I will. You know I will marry you.
Maya, you know this can't be possible. How many times?
How many what? You think you can do this to me and leave? No. I will never allow this to happen.
Baby girl, listen. I promise you I'm going to get you a handsome girl who will love you more than I do. We are getting old and we need to marry Maya.
Stop talking bullshit. Am I not a woman? Huh? You've been sleeping with me since childhood. Why then can't you marry? Huh? Please. Let's elope together. Let's go somewhere that nobody will find us. And then get married. I promise to be a faithful wife.
No, Maya, no! This is not possible. We got family and friends around.
And I don't care!
I do care. There are people looking up to me. What should I do for you to understand? Maya, name your price.
There's nothing to name. Don't do this to me. Please.
Maya, listen. I've said my piece. And if you're not gonna agree, this is the last time you're gonna see me. And I will make sure it is what it is.
Wait. Okay, fine. Let's do this for the last time. Let's have sex for the last time. And then that'll be the end.
This is what we are trying to stop. Why?
You owe me that much, Kofi. That is my price. Just this once won't change anything. Don't deny me.
Just this. Just this. And that'll be the end.
Yes. Just this. Oh, and I want it in the tub. Oh.
Salute you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Oh, you might be getting right.
Oh, yes, madam. I am the way to the gate. No one enters or leaves without me.
Well, I see. So great.
Why did you have to keep us waiting at the gate?
The dog. I was feeding the dog.
Get this, and make sure you bring the bags. Right now.
Look at this small boy eating fresh, big nyash.
Ole.
Wow.
This place looks great.
That's what it's talking about.
Yeah. That picture over there.
You know, I told you. When you see this place, you're going to love it. You're going to appreciate me for that.
all the type of sizes. Correct it. Bring the bag. It's just simple. Okay. Correct it. Bring the bag. Say money no good. Correct it. Bring the bag. Just like that. Simple. If you like, don't bring the bag. You go to your father's house.
So, that is it. I'm glad you love it. This is our home. This is actually ours. Maya, what are you doing here?
Kofi, someone just came into your house all teary and tied up and you're asking her this? She's your sister, for Christ's sake.
How so?
So good. Can you please take her luggage inside and bring her water to drink? Okay. It's okay. Just get some water to drink, then we can talk, okay? So good, you are delaying. Yes, ma'am. Pass it. Just take some water, please. Okay. So, Sugib, just go to the kitchen and prepare something special for her. Yes, ma'am.
Maya, I want to apologize for Kofi's behavior. You know how your brother can be sometimes. Anyways, what brings you here?
I've been thrown out of my fiance's house. He said he doesn't want to be with me anymore. I didn't do anything to him. I didn't do anything wrong.
Don't cry. It's your house. You don't have to cry. You know how men of these days can behave. I'm sure he has another girl. That is fine. You are home. So just relax, okay?
I don't have any other place to go. The only person I can think of is my brother.
Of course. And this is your house. You can stay as long as you want to.
Babies.
What? Kofi, what? Allow the girl to stay. This is her house. Or have you rejected her as your sister?
Fine. Okay. I will find an apartment for her to stay.
You do what?
I'll find an apartment for her to stay.
When there are so many rooms in this house, Kofi.
See, me, I'm tired of this though. I'm really tired of this. You can do whatever you want to do.
It's okay. Let's just go inside. Just take a shower, then relax. Your food will be ready soon, okay? Let's go.
Don't mind your brother. Yes, Kofi.
Yes, dear.
Why would you insist on sending your own sister away? You and I know that she doesn't like me. Yes, I tried severally to reach out to her, and she despised me. Now that I can get to know her well, get her to trust me, you are sending her away?
You see, that's the main reason why I don't want her around you. I know she despises you somehow. And then you see, I'm afraid she might do something just to hurt you.
Kofi, that's my problem to worry about. And why will your sister try to kill me or do something like that? She doesn't like me, doesn't mean she can kill me.
Fine, she'll stay. But please, just be careful with her.
Don't worry, I know we are going to blend out very well. We'll be fine, don't worry.
I've heard you.
Thank you.
Oh, come here. Good night.
I would have blamed myself if I didn't get married. Oh, marriage is good. Since my wife didn't pray, I have to do it myself.
Pray?
God bless this fruit from a wonderful wife. Amen. Delicious.
That's good, huh?
That's so nice. Nice taste.
She didn't your first man. This one, no. Glory snowy is oh no. Ladies first. Madam,
Thank you.
this for you. And boss, this for you. Enjoy.
That's right. Your food is in the kitchen.
Please, madam, you said?
I'm saying your food is in the kitchen.
Pardon?
Your food is in the kitchen.
In this house. Hey, Mamma Mia. Please, madam, are you sure?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, let me check. Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Ooh, madam.
Mm-hmm.
I should leave. Please, I saw this decorated food in the kitchen. Is it the one you are talking about?
Yes, please.
Oh, Jesus is Lord indeed. Wow! Wow! Thank you, very. What? Thank you, very.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup.
You see,
I swears, you might be going through hectic time in this house with this boy.
mine. He's fond of speaking different languages. You know what? This is the reason why I describe. You know what? This is the reason why I describe you as my wife. WIFE. One wonderful instrument for enjoyment. You're one in a minute, baby. So this is for you again.
Who? 2x. Wow. Hey. I'm even shocked.
in this house, 2 eggs. Oh wow. My spirit is even down. My spirit is down. Hey! Wow. See you. Hey? My innermost feeling is descended. Hey! It is true that when woman day house, nothing is nothing. How comes I get food in this house with 2 eggs and 1 chicken wings? Wow! I can see this food will be delicious, Papa. The way it look nice, it will be so delicious. Now, am I eating this food or should I eat it or not? No, I have to save this food. In appropriate time, I will kill it. Let me go and store it. Wow!
So you were gonna throw me out of your house?
You know why? We had a deal. And why would you come here when you know perfectly whether my wife is at home? Mm-hmm.
Where do you wanted me to go? You know it's just the 2 of us. You and I. All the other family members don't care about me. My own blood rejecting me. How much more the other family members?
Maya, I'm sorry I treated you that way. But you and I can't live together. Besides, my wife is around.
You have no problem. I'm gonna stay out of your way.
Really? Wow. You don't know how much I appreciate that. That's a great news.
Would you need anything?
No, please.
Okay. Honey, you scared me.
Come on, look at you, looking so beautiful. I want to have my way.
Honey, stop. I have a lot of work to finish.
Come on, this can wait.
Maybe, but not today. I need to finish up this and fast.
But Maya, we can't have this child.
No. Come again.
Listen, all that I'm trying to say is we can't have it. Our condition doesn't permit us.
Don't bullshit me again. We are having this baby.
Yeah. Oh, na. Libra on the beat, oh. Okay, for baby. Oh, yeah, my God. You so fine, why you too bad, oh, na. Oh, na. Oh, yeah, my God. You so fine, why you too bad? Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come Naa Maya, Naa Maya, Naa Maya, oh. Come Naa Maya, that girl be fine lady. She be that pretty cutie lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She dey play me, oh. She dey bring in the cases. Oh yeah, my